Hello everyone, welcome to Cinephiles. This is for the first time that I am bringing to you this kind of content जो कि आपको थंबनेल पढ़ के ही पता चल गया होगा। प्लीज़ लेट मी नो कि आपको ये कैसा लगा। तो बढ़ते हैं आगे हमारे टॉप 10 न्यू एज एक्टर्स हु कैन मेक इट बिग इन द इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बट आर ओनली सीन इन डिजिटल स्पेस की ओर। अकॉर्डिंग टू अस नंबर 10 पे आते हैं डिजिटल के फेवरेट बॉय नेक्स्ट डोर अंकुर राठी. The 30-year-old Indo-American actor has been a trained dancer for more than 21 years. The theatre actor first garnered recognition for his portrayal as Arjun Nair in Four More Shots Please. His roles in Made in Heaven and Hello Minnie were also praised by the masses. He also got engaged to his Hello Minnie co-star Anuja Joshi during the pandemic last year. नंबर 9 पे आती हैं मानवी गागरू, जिन्होंने यूं तो फिल्म्स में काम किया है पर बहुत ही माइनर रोल्स के लिए जो बहुत लोग नहीं जानते हैं। वो प्रिडोमिनेंटली डिजिटल स्पेस में ही काम करती हैं और अपनी परफेक्ट कॉमिक टाइमिंग और नेचुरल एक्टिंग के लिए फेमस हैं। उनकी दोनों ही वेब सीरीज़ फोर मोर शॉट्स प्लीज़ एंड मेड इन हेवन को लास्ट ईयर 2 एमी नॉमिनेशंस भी मिली हैं, जहां से पता चलता है कि ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स ने उनके टैलेंट को ट्रूली रिकॉग्नाइज किया है। द ट्रेन डांसर ऑल्सो गॉट फेमस इनिशियली फॉर हर क्रंची रोल इन टीवीएफ पिक्चर्स विच showed the journey of four young men. The Disney star was also rejected for looking too curvy and intelligent. 8वें नंबर पर आती हैं यशस्विनी दायमा, जिन्होंने 2 फिल्म्स फोबिया एंड डियर जिंदगी में काम किया है पर उनको फेम यूट्यूब पर ही मिला। वेब सीरीज में मोस्टली सपोर्टिंग रोल्स में दिखने वाली यशस्विनी ने अडल्टिंग मेड इन हेवन और दिल्ली क्राइम जैसी सीरीज में काम किया है। मेरे हिसाब से उनका अब तक का करियर डिफाइनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दिखा है इन अ शॉर्ट फिल्म नेम्ड देवी, जहां उनका रोल तो बस चंद मिनटों का है पर उनकी नेचुरल एक्टिंग की वजह से अनफॉरगेटेबल लगता है। For the unversed, apart from being an actor, she is also a model, playback singer, and voiceover artist. Number 7 पे है एहसास चन्ना, who's appeared in several films as a child artist, but web series and YouTube gave her a different and dynamic popularity. It's an interesting fact that though she is a girl, she has played the role of a boy in most of her films as a kid. She started off her career at the age of 4. TVF's Kota Factory gave her a mass popularity where she played an extroverted and outspoken neat aspirant who's not afraid to call a spade a spade. She played the characters with brilliance in her short films too, namely The Deal and Kande Pohe. नंबर 6 पे आती हैं शिवानी रघुवंशी, हु हैज़ कार्व्ड अ नीश फॉर हरसेल्फ इन द ओटीटी स्पेस। शॉर्ट फिल्म देवी में भी उन्होंने कमाल का काम किया है। She says in several interviews that Deepika Padukone has always inspired her. Her character Jazz from the web series Made in Heaven is loved by everyone for the naturality and simplicity that she pulls off with excellence. It's such a startling fact that Shivani has never been to any acting school, which proves that she is a gifted artist. While shooting for her debut film Titli, she was not so serious, and the director got so angry that he said it's impossible to work with her because of her non serious attitude. ऑन द फिफ्थ नंबर वी हैव जितेंद्र कुमार, जिन्हें सब लोग डिजिटल का SRK कहते हैं और वो खुद भी किंग खान के बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं। वेब सीरीज़ कोटा फैक्ट्री मेड जीतू भैया अ हाउस होल्ड नेम, बट वेरी फ्यू लॉयल फैंस नो द फैक्ट दैट द रियल IITian इज़ अ रियल IITian too. Yes, he graduated with civil engineering from IIT Kharagpur. His fans know him as Munna Jazbati. He also opened up about the fact that he was compared to girls for being emotional. He said that he hates the association of certain behavioral pattern with certain gender as it is sexist. Interestingly, his Twitter handle is Farji Gulzar, which expresses his love and admiration towards Gulzar Saab. नंबर 4 पे आते हैं द हैंडसम बॉन्ग गाय who made us all fall in love with Indian classical music through his amazing portrayal as Radhe, a musical prodigy in the web series Bandish Bandits, after which he became an overnight sensation. Yes, I'm talking about Ritwik Bhaumik, who's been rejected for multiple roles, but that was the only thing which taught him so much, and he hopefully remembers the lessons that he's learned so far. He truly became an overnight sensation and talk of the Tinsel town after his stellar performance on the show. Before that, he had won a lot of appreciation for his acting chops on being a part of Filter Copy and TVF on YouTube. The amazing talent is also a trained dancer. On number 3, we have got Naveen Kasturia, who became a household name after his remarkable work in several web series such as TVF Pictures, TVF Aspirants, Runaway Lugai, and Pati Patni Aur Panga. He also assisted Academy Award winning director Denis Stanovic in the international movie Tiger. He also has a theatre company with his friends named Right Click Entertainment. Apart from being an actor, he also holds a degree in engineering and has also worked in an analytical firm in Gurgaon for 2 years. In many of his interviews, he has said that he has always been a Bollywood freak. On the second number, we have an extremely deserving actress, and that is Aditi Pohankar, जिन्होंने अपना बॉलीवुड डेब्यू तो लव सेक्स और धोखा से किया था, पर इतना ह्यूज सक्सेस और फेम उन्हें नेटफ्लिक्स के वेब सीरीज़ शी के बाद ही मिला, जहां उन्होंने एक अंडरकवर कॉप का रोल बखूबी निभाया था. Aditi, the daughter of former marathon runner Sudhir Pohankar and national level hockey player late Shobha Pohankar, also showed her athletic physique and wrestling skills as well as her acting prowess in the famous web series Ashram. She is majorly mentored by famous Bollywood actor Makarand Deshpande, who is also her brother-in-law. नंबर 1 पे हैं वो जो पिछले 5 सालों से लगातार नेटिजन्स के दिलों पर राज करते आ रहे हैं, यूट्यूब की जान भुवन बाम. वो इस लिस्ट में टॉप पे हैं. इसका रीज़न सिर्फ ढिंढोरा ही नहीं बल्कि उनका पिछले 5 सालों से ऑडियंस को रिच एंड रिलेटेबल कंटेंट से रूबरू कराना है. उनका कंटेंट हमेशा से यूनिक ही था, आज भी यूनिक है. Apart from being a very talented actor who plays more than 16 characters himself, he is also an amazing songwriter and singer. His grip on comedy is exceptional. He created history by becoming the first Indian YouTuber to cross 10 million subscribers. For the unknown, he still shoots his videos on his phone, and YouTube happened luck by chance for him when he was busy checking his new phone 5 years back. He also has a YouTube music channel, Bhuvan Bam Official. He's actually famous for the fact that he shows the uncensored reality of how modern youth talks in Delhi, although there's a lot of criticism regarding the adult content and language in his videos. No matter what, we all love BB because he's the best. So that's it for today, guys. Subscribe if you want more like this. Bye. Thanks for watching.